Okay, so at last we spoke, you may recall I was not a happy camper because unfortunately the roof that we designed came in from China. It's the wrong thing. It's this horrible blue color. It's solid. It's supposed to be see-through. So that was a disaster, which we have now solved thanks to VX Design Solutions and Core Events. They immediately got on the phone. We found a new material that turns out we like better. They ship from Florida. It just arrived as we speak. It is in Orange County being sewed together frantically by a team of people. And so instead of the sort of light blue, it's going to be this smoky gray, which I'm really excited about because I think it's really elegant. It's obviously, I think we talked about transparent. This is transparent. I think it's going to be the finishing touch on this tent, and so that problem is solved. They're working mad and furiously, and we're going to be ready to open, I think, March 10th. Fingers crossed. Blah, 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 blah. Try again.